Stop. Before you scroll, here are 5 human body facts that will make you question reality. Fact number 1. Your stomach acid is so strong it can dissolve razor blades. Don't try it, but yes, your body is basically a chemical furnace. Before I continue, if even one of these facts makes you say, "No way," then you must hit that subscribe button. It's free, and I promise to blow your mind every single day. Alright, let's continue. Fact number 2. Your bones are 5 times stronger than steel. You're basically walking around inside an armored suit. Fact number 3. When you blush, your stomach lining blushes too. Yep, your insides get embarrassed with you. Fact number 4. Your brain creates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. So technically, you glow, just very weakly. Fact number 5. You replace your skin every 27 days. The you from last month? Gone. The human body is wild. Which fact shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments, and hit subscribe for part 2.